Hi, this is Pavitra. Welcome to my channel Health Support 360. We learned about the medical benefits, health benefits and properties of the golden spice turmeric. Now we are going to learn a recipe with turmeric.
Now let's see the ingredients we need for making tea, the turmeric tea. This is turmeric powder. This is dry coriander seeds. The coriander seeds look like this. So I've coarsely grounded this coriander seeds. This is lemongrass. Lemongrass plays a very important role in aromatherapy. The essential acids of lemongrass calms down and helps in reducing the stress. It has antimicrobial properties. I've taken half an inch of ginger, 1 pod of cardamom, black pepper powder. Today here I have coconut milk, couple of teaspoons. For sugar substitute, I'm using stevia, and I have 1 cup of water. Now let's make tea. Okay, the water is almost boiling now. Let me add in ginger. I've crushed the ginger. I'm adding it in. Now let me add in 1 teaspoon of this crushed coriander seeds powder and let it boil for a couple of minutes. The water has been boiling for 2 minutes now. I'm going ahead and adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'll add in the lemongrass and the cardamom pod. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes. The tea is almost ready. Now I'm switching off the stove and adding a pinch of black pepper to this tea, and let us strain this. Now before adding stevia, let the tea cool down for a couple of minutes. Then let's add stevia. I'm adding a couple of drops today. You can adjust it according to your taste. Then I am adding 2 spoons of this coconut milk. This you can add any substitute of milk like of your choice, almond milk or even cow's milk, coconut milk. Milk and black pepper is a must for this recipe.
The turmeric tea is ready. It smells awesome and tastes wonderful. Hope you will also enjoy this tea by making it. Give a thumbs up if you like us. Please share and subscribe us. Thank you.